are you? Santa's helpers here. Coco, Tweety, and yours truly, Kathy. How are you? I know it's a crazy busy season, so I appreciate you finding time to visit us. In today's video, I want to encourage you to pull out an old Christmas stocking and let's do some fun DIYs. If you like DIYs on a budget, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for many more creative ideas coming up, okay? Let's get started.
And if you are wondering about my garland, I just made it. Can you believe it's on the budget? You can see the step-by-step instructions in the previous video. And it's not just for the fireplace. This garland can be put anywhere. As you can see, I made it coordinating with my Christmas tree. If you're wondering how to put the ribbon on a Christmas tree, you want to see this video as well. So for this video, you're going to need a Christmas stocking that you don't use anymore. And I'm going to do the elf theme. So I'm going to use a couple elves. These are old, but you can find elves at the Dollar Tree. Also, they have adorable gnomes, so you can make gnome stocking as well. And I'm also going to add those cute little elf legs. You can find them on the ornament wall. Also, get color coordinating ribbon. And optional, a little bit of deco mesh, just for the filler. In addition, we're going to need some Christmas picks, like pine or eucalyptus, any other Christmas sprays or berries, something like that. And just a few little things, a piece of floral foam, a pom-pom, some plastic bags, and a couple rubber bands. Which, by the way, look at that, I have a little rubber band thief over here. I was wondering why my rubber bands keep disappearing. Give it back to me. Give it back to me, Tweety Bird. Bad birdie. Thank you for reminding me about the flower stem. We're going to use an old flower stem to bend it and adjust our stocking. It's just a regular stocking. I want to make it look like an elf boot. So as I insert that wire in there, I pinch it at the tip and tie it with a rubber band. And then I also bend a heel and hot glue it in there. You see, this is a nice shaped heel. I'm just not too happy with the tip over here. It's too much fabric, so I'm just going to cut out a little triangle, fold it over, and hot glue it. Also, the elf boot is not as wide, so I'm just going to fold over all along the side to make it slimmer. Oh, this is much better, right? And now I'm just going to stuff it with the plastic bags. Fill it all the way up until you just leave some room for the floral foam. And then I actually tied it with a rubber band up there and reinforced it with hot glue all around. Then I pierced the hole in the pom-pom, hot glue, and attached to the tip of the boot. And then I cut apart all the Christmas picks and let me hang it so you could see exactly how we're gonna decorate it. And doesn't it look adorable? Oh my gosh, can you believe this was a regular old stocking? So first we're gonna fill in our base out of the pine branches. By the way, I hope you don't mind my PJs today. And before I add the rest of the Christmas picks, I'm going to make a bow first because the bow covers a lot of it, you know. And what is this nosy bird doing? Picking a ribbon? We're just going to make a traditional bow today. 12 inches tail and then 6-inch loops. We're going to make 5 loops today. Pinch in the middle, cut off the second tail 12 inches and tie it together with a floral wire. Fluff it up and cut the fishtails. Just a simple traditional bow out of one ribbon. If you're interested to make a bow out of multiple ribbons, you can always make a bestie bow. We're going to use an old flower stem and tie it to the back of our bow and make like a little bow pick. That way it's going to be displayed beautifully on the side of the stocking. We're going to use 3 more flower stems and some deco mesh ribbon to make some more ribbon picks. You cut about 10 inches of ribbon, pinch it in the middle, attach the pick and tie it with a floral wire. That's it. just single loops. And you know, you can use any ribbon that you have on hand. I'm only using Deco Mesh ribbon because that's what I have, and it's color coordinating. And then I'm just gonna reinforce each pick with some hot glue so it stays in place. And then insert them in our stacking on the right, in the middle, and on the left. This is a great, inexpensive way to fill your stacking. Actually, any arrangement.
If you like these type of DIYs, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel because we're gonna have so many fun, budget-friendly DIYs coming up.
Next, we're gonna add our cute little elves, and we're gonna secure them with the floral wire under the neck. Warning, graphic content ahead. I might be choking that little guy, sorry. And you're gonna use that wire in the back to pierce through the stacking and twist tie it over there securely, okay? If you want, you can add a little bit of hot glue over there as well. Next, we're going to work on our elf legs. They're cute, but they're floppy, and we want them standing up. So what we're gonna do is reinforce them with the flower stems. You know, I like to save my flower stems. So we're just gonna cut off the extra branches and just save two, like a Y shape. We're going to pierce it through and insert one wire in each leg, just like so. And then reinforce it with hot glue so it stays in place. And just like that, we have a cute little pick. And we're going to insert it right there in the foam behind the bow. Oh my goodness, look how cute that looks. And now we're just gonna finish it off, add some color with our Christmas picks, and we are done. I hope you like it. Please let me know. And if you like to add a little cherry on the top, you can use these adorable solar lights from the Dollar Tree. You can just hang them on each side of your stacking, especially if you want to display it on your covered front porch where there'll be some sunlight. You can have your stacking lit up at night. Isn't that adorable? And here's my cute little Coco. If you're wondering about her cute little set, I got it at Five Below for only $2. So I know many of you have fur babies. She didn't want to wear the hat, but she looks so adorable in the collar. I have one more quick DIY for you. It's the fastest DIY that I've done, I think, to date. All you're gonna need is this cute little elf sign and a black calendar that you can also find at a dollar store. They have many different types, actually. And this is so easy. All we have to do is cut that sign apart. We're gonna glue one part to the top and then the legs at the bottom. Insert the cute little blocks, and just like that, you have an adorable calendar, little elf sitter that you can just sit on a shelf or anywhere around your house. How cute is that? And the total whopping cost of $2. Compatible little calendar would probably cost you around $20, so I think it's a very cute decoration or even a small gift for your friends and family, don't you think? Especially children enjoy changing the dates, switching the little blocks, and counting down to Christmas. I think it's adorable. I set mine down over here under the tree, and I think it looks so cute. By the way, if you haven't seen the video how I wrap these gifts or how I transform an old Santa's hat into adorable elf's hat tree topper, you can look up my previous videos.
Alright, my besties, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having so much fun with us this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel because there's many more DIYs coming up. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hello, my besties. Come on, Tweety. Welcome to my DIY channel. A little bit crazy as usual. Tweety.